Festival with Rabia. Oh, how's it going, friendly and disengaged friends? And nothing much to do here. How's it going, friendly and disengaged friends? And today we're gonna play Minesweeper. Oh no! Oh, oops! Hit the bomb! Oh no! Rest in peace, Grammar. I heard some sound. No thief here. No thief here. Be the man. Don't be scared about. There's no thief here. Where is thief? Oops. Hit the bomb. Oh no. Rest in peace, Grammar. Oops. Hit the bomb. Oh no. You hit the bomb. Oh no. That was. Why am I so quiet? Oops, hit the bomb! Oh no! Oh! So it's telling me one here and one here and one here and one here. Two. Yes. One. Yes. Another one. Another. Definitely gonna get. The heck is this? Hell yeah. So easy. Not even. Oh. Oh. Oh, you didn't have it. Oops! Hit the bomb! Oh no! Oops! Hit the bomb! Oh no! What the heck? Is this even the right grammar? Oh no! You roasted. No. Hell yeah. Oops! Hit the bomb! Oh no! This game is so hard. I mean, very easy. There's not that much thing to live. Why did people even create this game? It's not even a game. Well, I guess Candy Crush is a game. Hell yeah. Oops, hit the bomb. Oh no. Oops, you hit the bomb. Oh no, you should have been the right grammar. You retarded grader. You retarded grader. Why did you learn English school? Because I'm sure you didn't. Oh, roasted boy. Oh. Oh. I even like how the bomb looks like. So wimpy. Very, very wimpy. Very, very wimpy. It's very. Oops! I did it again. Oops! I did it again. I play. No. Wait, did you just? Oops! I did it again. I play with the bomb. No, because it was a bomb threat. Boy! Hell yeah. Not that much thing to live. I'm gonna end the video, friends, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. And always peace out and have fun.